All right, quick walkthrough for 12 Sunset Court. You can see it's a pretty good community. A lot of kids in this community, so great family home. Disregard the truck, it won't be there, that's my truck. Be happy to have you as our tenants, and we will leave that rocking chair. If you don't like it, I'll get rid of it for you. 2-car garage just to start off with. We're not going to go in there just yet, but there is up top there is some attic space. Ring doorbells, so if you want to activate them, great. If not, they will act as, sorry about that, they will act as normal ones. Let me back up just a little bit. Apologize for that. But go. All right, so this is the main living room. You can see it opens up straight into the kitchen. A nice open floor plan with a coat closet right there. And then you take a right, you've got the 2 spare bedrooms. I'll go into this in just a bit. But you can see pretty good size. Sizes will be listed. If you have any questions, you can ask about it. And then you've got a pull open door for the closet. So, and then second bedroom, you'll see a little bit of wall debris on this one. You can kind of sell right over here. I guess there was the tenants left a little bit. If you want us to paint over that, we can, but just understand if we do paint over it and the paint is damaged during your time, you'll be responsible. If you leave it as is, then there'll be no responsibility for that whatsoever, because he'll be painting. But if you want it, we'll be happy to do it for you. Ceiling fans in both rooms. You then have a linen closet, and this is the spare bathroom. A single vanity, nice shower head, tub shower combination. Quite simply, it's quite a good property, quite a good bathroom. Again, we said open floor area. You've got the dining room right here. I'm gonna go to the very back. So you can see a good picture. Nice open kitchen. So you can watch TV and cook at the same time. I would recommend raising this up a bit, and we'll go into the backyard in just a second. This door right here leads to the laundry room and then ultimately out to the garage. We will leave this second fridge here for you because we've noticed that a lot of families like having a second fridge around, freezer fridge combination. Again, this is the 2-car garage, and there's a little bit of attic space. Not much, but a little bit of attic space up there. You've got your power and water source right there. Water heater, sorry. This is the master bedroom. It's got a attached bathroom with a separate toilet area. So pretty good size, kind of hard to get to every corner, but pretty good size in here. And again, we're pretty much doing this as is, but if you need a little bit of issues to get in here, by all means, we'd be happy to. Large tub, good shower tub combination, and toilet separate. Single sink vanity, but you do got a actual large closet, walk-in closet here with its own door if you want. All right, so now heading back outside. Again, to disregard some of the other stuff we're actually doing to clean up right now, there is also a Ring doorbell out here, and it's kind of hard to see from the video, but you can see a little bit there. This is actually mesh right here, so you can sit outside during those nice spring and fall days without having to deal with the bugs. Totally enclosed. And then once we step all the way out back, a little bit of a drop off here, but that's good because the water flows away from the house. That fenced in area is completely yours as well. So if you have animals or children, don't confuse the two, but you're more than welcome to put them back there, maybe a playground, or do that as a dog run. All animals do need to be vetted by us, but we'd be happy to. We are very pet friendly, and we'd be happy to look that over. So in terms of any issues, the only other thing that might be a little bit of a concern is The air filter is up there. So if you got a ladder, bring it with you. But we do require air filters changed at minimum quarterly. It's better for you and your health as well as your energy bill, but it's also better for the system too, so it doesn't break down. And then you do have a pantry closet, a side-by-side freezer, fridge, all stainless steel stovetop, microwave, all seem to be in good working condition, dishwasher. And then, of course, tons of upper and lower cabinet space. So again, this is available immediately. If you need any type of painting done, you will need to let us know and give us some time to get that done, or we might be able to do it while you're in there. We won't discount it, but if it's something you'd like to paint yourself, we'd be happy to talk about that as well. And I do want to come right back out here, a little bit of a drop off from the road. But you can see, great place to sit out, great gorgeous house, really good family friendly neighborhood, perfect for any family. Thanks. If you got any questions, please let us know and fill out an application online at our website.